Hi, I'm Wanda. Did you know that women and children are on the front lines of poverty? That's why I'm part of the Poor People's Campaign. I'm not poor, but I'm a woman, and I have children, and I care. Did you know that women make up 2/3 of the workforce consistently in the lowest paying jobs?
3/4 of the people in the United States of America who are poor are women and children.
Most of women's care work goes unpaid. It's time to hear from them.
My name is Amy Jo Hutchison, and I come from West Virginia. I think as I look back on my life, I'm 46 years old, and I've never spent a day in my life without poverty on some level. I had Medicaid, and so without any notice, DHHR sent me a letter. They told me I'd forgotten to send a form in February, so this is April when I get the letter. And by the time I received the letter, I had just a couple of days' notice that I no longer have health insurance. So please tell me, as a poor person, what I'm supposed to do. I have a bachelor's degree. I'm trying to heal a medical condition now with essential oils and prayers. While I work full time, I take my kids to the softball games. I'm doing everything that I can. I'm organizing around other poor people, predominantly low-income moms. And so I just don't think that we should have to give this much of ourselves in order to have a good quality of life in America, the richest country in the world.
My name is Nicole Hill, and I just want to tell a little bit about my story about being a poor person in the city of Detroit. You are constantly raped by corporate greed. I lived without my water, with it being cut off the first time in May of 2014. It was off for 2 months. No matter how poor they are, they're always helping somebody else. And that's why, despite what's going on with Donald Trump, what's going on in this country, we are going to win. You know, I'm confident in that. I believe in that. I really do.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. I'm Reverend Annie Chambers. I'm from Baltimore, Maryland. I'm a welfare rights, one of the women that helped started welfare rights many years ago. And we're still around and we're still fighting. Dr. King came to welfare rights and asked us to help the Poor People's Campaign so that we can get started. And we agreed. But we said to Dr. King before then now, Dr. King, where was you when they locked us up and we was out there fighting for food stamps? You know, we sent you a letter, but you didn't respond. And he didn't. He said, yeah, but I'm here now. And I heard about y'all ladies, and I want to be with y'all. So we went back. And that's when food stamps came about.
This is why we demand living wages,
a care income, a guaranteed income,
with equal pay for equal work.
You know, honestly, in this moment, I'm just grieving. I'm just grieving and mourning and wailing. And it's for these reasons and more that I'm a part of the Poor People's Campaign, a national call for moral revival.